Welcome back to Khal Reacts. It's a place where Khal reacts. Khal. This is gonna be I don't want to say it's gonna be a quick video, but I just wanted to show you guys something I got in the mail today. It's not a promo item, nothing like that. It's actually something that I purchased. I don't know if you guys are into sneaker fans at all. As I'm getting older, I realize I'm probably a much bigger sneaker lover than I thought I was. Shout out to the knife. And I'm always keeping up with sneaker culture, sneaker releases, but I'm not. I used to buy a lot of Jordan 1s. I'm just not. It's not my vibe anymore. It is, but not for like. And plus, you can't really grab sneakers anywhere regularly anyway. So, I've been a New Balance guy, and when those 550s came out, what was it, 2020? The ALD 550s, I was like, damn, that's a really hard sneaker, but I didn't know if I wanted it. And then I saw them, gosh. I had to go to New York for something. It's COVID time. I had to go to New York for something. I think it was a screening. And no, I was filming something on the way back. Someone was at the train station, and they had the sneakers on. I'm like, I need those. And I finally, saved up enough money to pull the trigger. Shouts out to eBay. These, I copped these on Sunday. So I got them damn near a week and a half early. If you know about the Aime Leon Dore New Balance 550 collaboration and the numerous colorways. For those that don't know, the New Balance 550 was a basketball sneaker that was, I think it was debuted in '89, and then it was never. I don't know if it was Jordan. I don't know if it was because Nike had so many different basketball shoes at the time, but meet your soulmates. eBay authenticity guarantee. This is how you know I have to do it that way, just so I'm not out in these streets looking crazy. This box, you already know. Yeah, so I guess this silhouette it was no longer utilized. And then Aime Leon Dore came back and said, you know what, for our next that's Aime Leon Dore came back for the next New Balance collaboration. I believe one of the guys works at New Balance, and they said, hey, we want to get these 550s popping. I want to show you. I'm a Libra, so I've been studying on these for a bit, but I wanted to show y'all how the other sneaker people show y'all, just in case you've never seen it. Now, mind you, these are premium sneakers, but this box is kind of ass. It's New Balance, so I'm kind of not surprised. You don't really need like a high quality box if what's in the box is actually quality, but we've not even opened it up yet. For the official, these are 11.5, just so y'all know. They don't list colors on here at all. It just says 11.5, and I don't believe these are made in America. Recycled. This is a recycled box, though. This packaging is made from 100% recycled materials. That's dope. Okay. Open it up. Is there anything on the inside of the box? Nothing. Nice paper. Look at this. It's I don't know if you can tell. It's New Balance with Aime Leon Dore. They have it's an apple, a New York apple in their logo, but it's made to like a basketball, which mimics. Oh my gosh, I love these. But you can see that basketball I was talking about. It's on the tongue. All right, let's. I've been dreaming. I've been wishing and waiting for these sneakers for so long. Damn it! All right, so these are the Aime Leon Dore New Balance 550s in the green colorway. The thing again, it's a silhouette from the 80s, 89. So it's already gonna have like the dad shoe vibes to it. Just wanted to show you guys everything, both sneakers. Obviously the eBay authenticity tab is there. You can't really see it, right? Hold up. And I don't know if you've done this before, but the way, see how that's on there? Like, you can't just rip this or you'll fuck the whole sneaker up. So you need some type of scissors or something. But okay. It also came, it's laced with these flat, I guess, white laces, but they do give you a creamish, like a off-white. It's the same color as the midsole and this green. I don't know. I'm gonna stick with the white for now. Okay, let's put this. You know, I can't even see them. So ALD 550. I'm no sneaker expert, but let's take a look at it. This is what I saw. Something about this toe box with the perforation. I don't know. I loved it. This little hint of green here is dope. The 550 right here, as New Balance does, they let you know the model of the shoe right on the shoe. The 574 is usually, and like the 990s usually have them there. The end with the cracked leather is whew, can't even get that right. But what they did was, because this is an older silhouette and the vintage sneaker game is now like, there's people who are actually getting their sneakers and yellowing them to give them this look. But this came with the yellowed midsole on top of the green sole of the shoe. That's what the bottom looks like. Check out the back, because the backs of the shoes are a little different. One's got the New Balance logo on it. The other's got the Aime Leon Dore New York, and again, that mimics the logo on the tongue. As you can see in the back as well, has this little. I hear this is for extra support, but it also just is a dope little color in there. Damn, the build of this is amazing. From what I understand, I haven't tried these on yet. Again, I literally just opened them out the box. From what I understand, depending on the size of your foot, true to size is probably it's either true to size or a half size down. Most people normally go a half size down in New Balances. In general, just based off of the way they are constructed, they are a little smaller of a sneaker compared to some of the other brands. Or even if you cop like the butter Timberlands, the what is it, the 10601s or whatever they are, the premium boots. You don't want to go true to size. You should go a half size, maybe a size lower, depending on how your foot, if you got a thin or a wide foot. I have a wide foot. I just had to open these up and see. I probably will try these on. I'm probably going to take some shots of these for the Damn, I'm just in love with this sneaker. And it's and I'm going to say this. And maybe I'll put some images in here if I remember. Because the 550 is a hard silhouette. What happened was New Balance did this collab and people loved the shoe. I think they did like a re-release, and they were flying. Going on eBay to find a certain color and a certain size, like I got the best price on these, and it was still a lot over retail, obviously. But I was shouts out to the guy who sold this to me. I was. No, but what I was saying is, New Balance, I think they realized that, hey, this silhouette is hard and people are fucking with it. So they started releasing more pairs. Not ALD collabs. These, you can go on eBay and get these for like $140, $150, depending on the colorway. The shouts to Burrow and the Top Shelf Kicks, the orange and black ones are hard. They've got a Carolina blue and ones that are hard as well. There's even a black and white. I was going to get the black and whites, but I said if I'm going to buy them, I was in the mood to get sneakers. I was like, if I'm going to buy them, I might as well buy these. But yeah, if you like this silhouette, there are a number. The purple, there's white and purple ones that people love. It depends though, because some of them have like the New Balance has been doing weird things with this toe box. Like some of them, they like the one run, it seemed like they had like it was a suede. It was like a grayish suede. It was just off. It was cool looking, but it looked better than they did like black toes, and they have ones that have more black in them. I don't like those at all. The regular white ones, I think the orange and whites, They like changed the sole color to match in like the hits. This will be orange. This will be orange. Not the tumbled leather. Not the yellowing on the midsole. A lot of those perks are just for these. But yeah, if you like this and you kind of don't want to spend resale on these, I think resale is probably like 340, something like that, 360, depending on, maybe 4. Again, this is an 11 and a half. I could only find a couple of people that had these in great condition for a great price. So I guess that's it. Again, these are the ALD 550 collaboration in green. Shouts out to New Balance. Shouts out to ALD. Shouts out to eBay Authenticity for getting these shits to me super quick. If you like this, I get stuff all the time. I could just record these quick videos and open. If you like this, let me know. Drop a comment, drop a like. If there's anything that you want to see from me or this channel, or don't, I don't know. You can shoot an email, calreacts@gmail.com. I'll try and open it. But dropping comments down here is the best, and clicking that like button and subscribe. I don't know the next time I'm going to be around, but I'm hoping to do this more often when I get cool shit in the mail. This is Cal. Salute. What's an outro?